Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chawnta and this is Tutt Tips. So today is going to be a quick video, a quick how-to tutorial to show y'all how I take two head wraps, head scarves, and put them together at once on my head. And hopefully this style you'll be able to use just because you either like the style, you have a lazy hair day or a bad hair day, and this could be a go-to solution for you. So these are the two head wraps I'm going to use today. I got a black one and I got a gray one. It was gifted to me for the holidays. The links for these scarves will be below in the description area. So what you're going to do first is you're going to lay out your scarves, whichever one you want to be the one that is the dominant color, the one shown the most. That's the one I lay down first. And then I put the other one, layer the other one on top of that one. I like to leave a little bit out so they're not perfectly layered on top of each other. All right, y'all, so this is what I'm going to do. So you wake up, don't feel like doing your hair for the day. This is how I do mine. I just put it in a little ponytail. Grab my little bit of hair and wrap it around loosely. And then I take the scarves. So I try to make sure that it's even on both sides. Oh, this could be a thumbnail, y'all. And I like to start a little low on my neck just to make sure I can cover up as much of the cougar bugs as possible. Also, what you want to do beforehand, you want to make sure that you brush down your hair first before you put the scarves on. Okay, so I pull down on here, on the sides, and then I take and I grab a hold of them and still keep it kind of taut so it doesn't get too loose. And then I grab from the middle, the center, and I start twisting that. And I don't twist it a whole lot, but I twist it up enough, and then I start connecting it to what I already have here, to one of the sides, and next add in the other side. So you don't have to go that far down, and you don't want to have it, I don't like to do it extra tight, okay? So you're gonna have to kind of feel your way on how tight. I think if you do it too tight, then it's harder to get it to wrap around. And you don't want to wrap the whole thing first either, because if you do, to me, that's harder to get to wrap around as well. You want to wrap it around as you go. As you can see, the black is starting to show through. And you see how you got this little part here? Kind of look out for that and be tucking it in as you go, okay? And you can go either way that you want. I started, you see I swung around here to my right. And now after I swung it around, now I'm going to turn it some more. Wrap it around so we can get a good little hold in there. And I'm going to turn it some more. This is turning out really good, but sometimes you might get a lot of this. And all you got to do is just keep an eye out for that and tuck it in for a neater look. Push this up a little bit since I'm getting to the end. Alright, so that's that. So then I go ahead and push it back. I like my ears to be out, or you can leave them in a little bit. It's up to you. I've never tried it with just having my ear tucked in, but I'm gonna pull mine out. That's how I've been doing it. So the gel is holding up pretty good, but normally y'all, I wake up, my hair is not all the way done. I don't have my sideburns done already, or my baby hairs. So normally what I do is I will put the scarf on first. Then I would take whatever you use for your baby hair, your comb, I would take it and I would just go and just kind of comb some out. You can lift it up a little bit and pull some out, and then I slick it down and play with my baby hairs and the design and things like that. But since I've already been out today and I was already recording earlier, that's already done. I'm glad this held, y'all, so now I know. And you can go through, I can't really see right now, but you can go through and tuck away anything that you don't like about how you wrapped it, any spot you see. So that's how I do 2 scarves at once, y'all, 2 head wraps at once. Now, I do plan on doing more videos on head wraps, hair scarves, and other different styles and ways to use them. I'm also going to be letting y'all know every time I get a new one, where I got it from, just in case you want to get it for yourself. This is my second video about head wraps. Go ahead and check out the first one. That one I showed a whole lot of different ones. So go check that out. Like, comment, subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I put out a new tip or video for y'all. And there'll be 2 of my videos that's gonna pop up on the screen after this one. Go ahead and click on one of those, see which one is best for you, and check out one of my other videos. Thanks for watching.